In a world where everything dies, one creature refuses. No matter how old it gets, it can start over. Not metaphorically, not spiritually, physically. Meet the only known animal that can cheat death. Turritopsis dohrnii, a jellyfish. For every living thing on Earth, aging follows one rule. Forward. Cells divide. DNA gets damaged. Systems fail. Eventually, life ends. This isn't bad luck. It's biology. It's entropy. But what if that rule could be reversed? This tiny jellyfish found a loophole. When it faces stress, starvation, or even old age, it doesn't die. Instead, it transforms. Its body collapses, sinks to the ocean floor, and begins an impossible process called transdifferentiation. Its cells don't just repair themselves, they completely change identity. Muscle becomes nerve, nerve becomes skin, and slowly, it turns back into a child. What emerges isn't the same jellyfish. It's younger, reset, reborn as a polyp, the earliest stage of its life. From there, it grows up again, and when danger returns, it can repeat the process again and again. A life with no natural end. But it's not invincible. It can still be eaten, destroyed, killed by disease. So it's not truly immortal. But it has something even more fascinating: the ability to escape aging itself, something humans have never achieved. Now, scientists are studying this creature's genes, searching for the switch that allows cells to reset. If we could unlock that ability, we might repair organs, reverse cell damage, even slow aging, not live forever, but live longer, healthier lives. The secret to longer life isn't hidden in myths or magic. It's drifting quietly in the depths of the ocean. So here's the question: if you had the chance to reset your life once, would you do it? Or does life only matter because it ends? Comment, like, share, and subscribe for more amazing facts on Fact Lab Pro. See you with new interesting fact.